Welcome! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to disable app icon badges, specifically for approvals notifications on Google Drive. If you've noticed those little dots or numbers popping up on the Drive app and you'd rather not see them, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll control all the finer details of your apps and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists everything installed on your device, and from here, we'll be working with Google Drive. Find and select Google Drive from the list. Once you're inside the app settings, you'll see different options that allow you to manage how the app behaves on your phone. Now tap on Notifications. This area controls which types of alerts Drive is allowed to send to you and how they appear. Since we're focusing on approvals, we need to go one step deeper. Tap on Notification Categories. This breaks everything down into specific types of notifications within Google Drive. Each category can be customized, giving you more control instead of having to silence the app completely. From the list, tap on Approvals. This is the setting that's responsible for those badges appearing on the app whenever there's an approval-related update. Finally, toggle off App Icon Badges. Once this is turned off, you won't see the little dots or numbers on the Drive app icon anymore when you get new approvals notifications, and that's it. You'll still get notified in your notification panel if you choose, but the app icon itself will stay clean and clear without any extra badge clutter. This simple change can make your home screen feel less distracting and help you manage notifications in a way that works better for you. So now you know exactly how to disable app icon badges for approvals in Google Drive. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in keeping your phone organized and stress-free. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to make this adjustment and enjoy a tidier home screen starting today.